Watermelon is a cleansing, alkalizing and mineralizing fruit that improves health in numerous ways. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, along with cantaloupe, pumpkin, and similar plants that grow on vines on the ground. Watermelons are round, oblong or spherical in shape, light to dark green in color, with lighter mottling stripes, and usually, their flesh is brightly red. They are full of water, 92% to be more precise, as well as beta-carotene, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B5 and smaller amounts of B1, B2, B3, and B6. Watermelons are also high in essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and smaller amounts of copper, iron, and zinc. Watermelons contain the red carotenoids pigment lycopene, which is a potent antioxidant, as well as citrulline, another important and beneficial compound. Watermelon juice is incredibly healthy, and here are some of its health benefits. It is alkalizing, meaning that it neutralizes acidity in the system, and prevents chronic diseases, like cancer, and protects against parasites, harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi and yeasts. The high lycopene content fights inflammation and relieves and heals inflammatory conditions, like arthritis. Watermelon can lower C-reactive protein, CRP, a measure of body-wide inflammation linked to arthritis flares and heart disease, and it is also abundant in the carotenoid beta-cryptoxanthin, which alleviates the symptom of rheumatoid arthritis, and treats painful inflammatory joint conditions. This juice has laxative effects that improve regularity, calms the gastrointestinal tract, regulates pH levels, treats acid reflux, and fights inflammation and acidity. It is also excellent in the treatment of constipation. Being abundant in various minerals, watermelon juice replenishes electrolytes lost after a good workout and treats symptoms like muscle aches, spasms, twitches, and weakness, restlessness, frequent headaches, insomnia, heart palpitations, fatigue, numbness and pain in joints, and dizziness. It improves eye health since it is rich in beta-carotene, provitamin A, which is converted into vitamin A, retinol, in the body. It prevents eye problems like age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, retinal degeneration, and night blindness. Watermelons are low in calories, but rich in water and fiber, so their consumption creates a feeling of satiety, cleanses the body of toxins and helps weight loss. Being rich in antioxidants, lycopene and other essential vitamins and minerals, watermelon juice lowers the risk of stroke and heart disease. Lycopene reduces the thickness of the internal layer of blood vessels, lowering the risk of myocardial infarction, while the prevention of LDL oxidation protects against heart attacks, ischemic strokes, and atherosclerosis. It is an effective detox drink that accelerates metabolism and eliminates all kinds of toxins from the body. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the case of allergies and asthma, and the consumption of watermelon juice raises the immune responses in preventing attacks. The amino acid citrulline in watermelons, which is in the highest concentration in the white rind, together with vitamin C, breaks down kidney stones, detoxifies the kidneys and bladder, and fights inflammation caused by free radicals. Watermelon juice also acts as a diuretic, treating water retention, preventing bloating in PMS, and fighting urinary tract infections. Drinking watermelon juice relaxes and dilates the blood vessels and boosts energy levels and stamina, so it can act as a natural Viagra, and treats mild erectile dysfunction. Additionally, watermelon seeds are also rich in nutrients, healthy fats, and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. Therefore, they suppress appetite, energize the body, strengthen the hair, skin, and nails, accelerate metabolism, and prevent anemia, fatigue, depression. Yet, despite the countless benefits of this fruit, its excessive consumption can have adverse effects, so make sure you follow these consumption tips. To avoid sleep disturbances during the night, make sure you eat these fruits or drink watermelon juice in the morning on an empty stomach or earlier in the day. Watermelon rind contains 95% of the nutritional benefits, so you can juice it along the flesh and seeds. Wash the watermelons well before consumption. To preserve the freshness of the remaining watermelon, wrap it up with a cling wrap and keep refrigerated. You can consume watermelons on their own, juices, or in fruit salads. We suggest you try the following delicious watermelon recipes as well. 3 melon smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cups seedless watermelon, cubed. 1 cup cantaloupe melon, cubed. Half a cup lemon lime soda pop. 1 cup honeydew melon, cubed. Half a cup ice cubes. Instructions: in the blender, mix the watermelon, honeydew, cantaloupe, and ice. Then, add the lemon lime soda and puree until smooth. Enjoy!